Hey guys, Javen here. In today's video, I will be showing you how to cut the 2-block hairstyle in 7 easy steps. Knowing how to cut your own hair will save you tons of money in the long run, so keep watching. Step number 1, grow your top hair long enough first. Make sure your top hair can cover the sides of your hair when it falls down. If your hair is not long enough yet, please just come back to this video when you have grown out your hair. Step number 2 is to use clipper number 1 or clipper number 2 on your side hair and lower back hair. And if you're wondering about the hair equipment I'm using, feel free to just check out the video description links and I'll include all the tools I'm using there. So yeah, this process here, I'm just shaving the side hair, making sure all the side and lower back hair is the same length. And in my case, I'm using clipper number 2. Step number 3 is that you want to trim the top hair to the length of your liking. You also want to use the hair clippers to cut the top back of your hair, similar to what I'm doing right now. Step number 4 is you want to use clipper number 1 and clipper number 0 to trim your neck hair. You can also do some hair fading if you wish. Step number 5 is to use your hair cutting scissors to trim the hair growing around your ears. Step number 6, use thinning shears on your top hair to lighten the load of your bulky hair. Do this without hesitation because it's pretty much impossible to mess up on this step. Remember, thinning shears do not cut the length. It simply removes the bulkiness of your hair. Right now, I'm just removing the excess hair before I hop into the shower. Step number 7, blow dry your hair if needed. And if you do not want to blow dry your hair, you can simply let it air dry and your 2-block haircut will look similar to the one in the photo. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and check back next time.